How to get Applinked codes, best Applinked codes to use. Want to access hidden apps on your Fire Sticker Android TV? Let's explore how to get Applinked codes and which ones works best. So first, go ahead and install AppLink on your device. It's a popular file linked alternative that lets you sideload apps using special codes. So here are some of the best working codes right now. 5555 for streaming APKs and utilities, 7777 popular movies and TV apps, 6464 tools, browsers, and cleaners, 8888 mix apps including live TV, and 1234 for the general App Store collection. Always use trusted sources for codes. Some sites may share outdated or unsafe APKs. So stick to verified lists from reputable tech blogs. And that is how you get app link codes and the best ones to use. Install, enter, and explore, but always stay safe.